Baba Fana, where they go?
Where are they go?
I they go two places. We first jump for Morocco. Then from Morocco, you cut run for Spain. I don't want stress, will not delay me. I get very. Say you fine.
Oh, I go.
Oh,
I go. Ring Road.
Enter Ring Road, not far now.
Italy.
Not be juju be that.
I'm going for communion service in Italy. Anglican church precisely.
You dey go Ring Road in Italy Anglican church?
Yeah, we have holy communion service.
Enter.
Oh my.
Papa, you enter back! Oh God! You enter back! Will you back again?
Oh, guys, that food.
You never fool. Where they go?
Now Italy. Now they go.
Italy. Papa, like I tell you, drive. I don't be pilot now. I don't be pilot. We can probably.
You see what you want just do right now? As you just pilot this motor now, you drop me for Kano. Hey! And then we get to Kano. From there, we enter Niger, Agadez, Duruku, Saba, Tripoli. See, we'll cross. We enter Italy. Bam! Go your way, I go my way.
Since all of una na same place na for the call. I don't leave keke for una.
You want see walk wrong?
No, na carry keke go. I don't carry key. There you go. Papa, come now.